Hey y'all, welcome back to the garage. Today's video was supposed to be a cold start video. I started it over a week ago. I was going to get my Cub Cadet 108 that I used to plow snow with. So I'll get it out of the bottom shed down there and bring it up, show you guys, give you a cold start on it. It was in the mid-30s or so there. Well, it quickly escalated into a no start video. So for one, the battery was dead, so I swapped out batteries. I've got a good battery in it now, and did a little checking, and it has no spark. So let's get down there, and the lighting is not going to be real good. Hopefully I can get a good place to mount the camera, show you guys what I'm going to do to try to get the spark back on this thing. So sit back, relax, and we'll hopefully get this tractor going. Alright y'all, here it is, my 108. It's got the snow plow on it. Like I said, lighting's gonna suck in here, but and we're losing light real quickly. I did put a spark tester on it there, and let me see if I can get this thing set up with a little bit of light, and we'll turn her over and let you guys see what's going on. So hang on. Alright y'all, there's a spark tester, and we'll crank her over. Hopefully they're not too vibraty and shaky. And oh, and of course the battery's dead again. Oh, what the heck. Alright y'all, be back in a minute with another battery. Alright y'all, take two. Oh heck, now we're getting a little bit of spark. The other day when it was cold out, we had no spark. So let me see if this thing will fire up. Let me turn a little fuel on. We'll see if this thing will fire up. Alright, well, she's not firing up. That spark was really weak. So let me yeah, she's got fuel, she's getting fuel. Let me take this spark tester out of here, and we'll get you guys set up someplace else and see if we can try to get this thing to fire. So alright, I'm gonna get you guys set up someplace else, and we'll get some go-go juice here, maybe, and shoot in the carburetor and get this thing to fire off. Alright y'all, we're back. Got me a little bit of starting fluid here, and it's actually brake clean, but we're gonna crank this thing over and see if we can get her to fire. I'll give her another shot here. Alright y'all, that's not going to work, so we're going to have to get down in there and get the points, get them cleaned, and see if we can't get a little better spark. So get the camera moved around and we'll bring y'all back. Alright y'all, this is a K-Series Kohler. Sorry, I was shutting the fuel off. Points right in behind this cover here. There's a screw here, and on these Cub Cadets, let's see if I can get a light down here, I drill a hole right there in the frame. Get in there to get them points cover. So I'm gonna pull that off, and then we'll bring y'all back once I get that cover off and we get looking at those points and stuff. So alright y'all, right here you can see the points right here. Tractor's actually, I'm gonna bump this over a little bit. Yeah, see there, it just points just closed. So I'm going to take a little bit of emery cloth and shut that key off for I'm not firing I'm going to clean them out. And I've cleaned these things out a few times. I'm not going to say how many times. Probably just time for a brand new set. But why spend money if I can get something to work better, huh? Who knows? All right. Yeah, we're getting a little bit of gunk off there. So, all right. Now, I'm gonna take just a quick shot of brake clean. Clean that garbage out of there. Gonna let that evaporate there a little bit, and then we're gonna give her another shot here and see if we can get a little better spark. We're not getting any spark at all now. I don't know if it's because of that brake clean or what. Now the points are working. We may have to do this another day, guys. Maybe it's time just to get another set of points here, y'all. You never know. Whoa. Hey. Get a little bad connection action. Man, she's going from a good spark to not so good. Yeah, guys, I think it's just time to get us a new set of points. So. All right. Yeah, these points are probably trash, so. All right, well. All right, guys. I don't like to admit defeat, but I'm gonna call defeat on this, and I'm gonna go get me another set of points. It might be a couple of days, and then we'll put new points in here, and we'll see how she goes from there. So when I get the new points, we'll bring you back, and we'll get them installed, and I'll show you how to gap them. Then we'll get this thing fired up. So hang on. All right, I'm gonna turn that fuel on. Y'all can see the spark tester there. We got some really good spark now. So let me see if I can. Yeah, I turned the fuel on. I get backwards sometimes. Take this thing up to upper shop here, and we're going to work on stuff at, and we'll there you have it. Got it running up through the driveway here, or up to the upper shop here. I do need to rebuild the carburetor on this thing. The float sticks on it. It'll drip gas when I shut it off, but when it's running, it doesn't drip. So float's sticking a little bit. I'm gonna pull it off, throw it in the ultrasonic cleaner. We'll bring you back, but that'll be another video. I wanted to do a cold start, and it's like 62, 63 degrees now, so it's not really a cold start. I wanted to do it when it was like 30, but the old girl wouldn't cooperate back then. But like I said, I played with them points a little bit, cleaned them up, checked everything out, wiped everything down again. I actually ran that emery cloth through there one more time, and that spark come back good and strong. So I'm gonna throw the cover back on it, and she's gonna be ready to plow for the year. Hopefully I might have to use it, but you know, if I do, I do. I got a gravel driveway, that's why I got a plow. If I had a concrete driveway or an asphalt driveway, I'd definitely have me a snow blower. I love snow blowers, they're awesome. Pate's Performance, you know, I like his supercharged one there, and stuff he does to them. That's really cool. But with this gravel driveway, I gotta have a plow. So, all right, I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Appreciate it. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. Share it out if you can, and we'll bring you all back on the next one. Should be cleaning the carburetor on this, so hang out and hopefully come back for that one. Check y'all later. Bye. Alright guys, I'm going to give you a little bonus footage. Same night, working on that Cub Cadet. Yeah, I brought one of them home. But, yeah, it's one of them. So, it needs a service, needs a drive belt looked at. It slips really bad, needs some welding done on deck. Hopefully the deck's good enough to weld on. And like I said, full service, sharpened blades, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, we're gonna. I don't think I've showed you guys this yet, but you know, I did it. I bought me one of these little vinyl storage buildings. This is a 10 by 17. Place around here called Rural King. They're the ones that's where I got it at. So yeah, that's where I got it at, and made a big difference. I got a lot more room in my normal shop here now. So, but we're gonna see how it's gonna last the winter. Hopefully it lasts all winter. But that John Deere, it's not going in the garage right now. We're gonna work on my Cub first, and then we're gonna put that John Deere in that storage unit there. And then once I get my Cub done, she'll go in there. Be a lot easier. Takes up less room in my garage if I can get other projects in. So, a little bonus footage for you all there. Hope you enjoyed it. Catch you on the next one.